Perodua Bezza install 10.1 inch Android GPS big screen player. So this is 2 gig RAM, 32 gig storage with OEM big screen 10.1 inch casing. So this is a clip-on 10.1 inch. You keep for the original casing, just add on a 10.1 inch universal clip-on casing. 4-core processor, 2 gig RAM, 32 gig storage. Connect AHD reverse camera, AHD parking reverse camera, and a front USB U3 DVR driving video recorder. It's got a SD card slot, micro SD card, class 10, support up to 32 gig micro SD card. Full menu, Bluetooth call, Bluetooth music, video music file, radio support. It's got a 2 USB extension, USB port. You put in drawer. One of the USB connect for the USB DVR recorder. Another USB, you can insert a pen drive to play video file or music file. And a GPS antenna will hidden inside the pillar to detect your car location for GPS. Offline maps, you can download Papago or Here Maps, or online you can use for the Google Maps or Waze. It's got an external microphone for Bluetooth call. So you have to pairing BT call, pairing with your phone. Okay, after pairing can answer phone direct in a Android player, or click for the BT music. This is share your phone music to car player. Setting. So this is AC8227 version, 2 gig RAM, 32 gig storage. Sound processor is TM2313, Bluetooth 4.1. Screen resolution 1280x720. Factory setting, password is 1234. Okay. So you can change your boot logo. Touch carrier brake and touch button. This is left hand side for touch button. Back source setting. So for your reverse camera, if you connect to your original reverse camera, you have to choose CVBS. If you change aftermarket AHD camera, you can select for the AHD 720 or AHD 1080. More setting, system setting. If you want to factory reset your player, you have to click for the clear all data reset factory setting. Or before that, you can small pin inside the small button RST for simple reset. Network. So you have to turn on the Wi-Fi. Connect your phone hotspot for internet. So after connect, you can online clear apps, clear it one by one, or clear all. Scroll down so you can off your screen when you nighttime driving. The music will keep on. So this is 10.1 inch Android GPS car player. Okay, you can change your home theme. So it's up to 21 different themes. Okay, so this is Android CarPlay for Perodua Bezza 10.1 inch. This is Cogoo CG 600B for super wide parking reverse AHD camera. Installed by 1Biz and video by Andy. Thank you.